Weston back on the P-Dub. You haven't ridden this thing for a while, have you? You're looking kind of big on it. You're gonna have to give it more gas because you're a 5-year-old now, right? All right, Mom's gonna follow behind you on the Husky e-bike. She can get on it. All right, guys, so first lap out there on the warm-up session. I thought, man, what's to talk about these Starcross 6s? They suck. I was sliding all over the place. So I stopped to talk about it, and I looked down, and I had a flat tire. So super bummer. Not even going to be able to test the 6 much today. So luckily, I have an even sweeter set of wheels than those factory wheels. I know you guys love these. These are the stock silver wheels off of Gas. So I'm going to just toss this on there instead of fighting with changing a tube here at the track on one of the hardest, stiffest tires I've ever experienced in my life. If it was a 5, I'd just stick a tube in it real quick, but since it's not, all I have to do is swap out spacers and I can just throw this, and this, honestly, this Maxxis is a pretty good tire anyway, so it's a mid-soft, so it should be perfect for today. So toss that on there. The gearing might be a little different, but who scratched my hub?